A lot of work, so I just covered all. There was a big hole here, and when cars were driving by, they could fall. You see the size of the rocks. Not easy. And then I cut these trees, moving the trees up to here and block a little bit of the privacy for us here, and also to avoid people to break in. Already happened once, and park the car there. And on top of that, Alan's pole was completely done, perfectly done, everything worked. And now I'm doing my electric pole to connect the electricity from the composite pole there. You see? That one. And now we're doing this. Would be awesome. You could not resist that you make it longer, right?
No, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do.
You're gonna do something special. And as usual, he's helping me even further. Good job here. A lot of work. And now we're gonna see if that thing works. Go over it. It does work perfectly. Awesome. Let's see reverse. You see there? Right over it. Right there. Beautiful. See? Wow. Not bad. Not bad. We're not. Okay. Perfect. It works well. So let's see how it behaved outside. Doce, doce, sweet, sweet. It's a Brazilian meme, but yeah, it works. Done. Almost finishing there. These. Not easy. Tired.